Today in this video, we are gonna show you how to fix your Hisense TV if it won't connect to your Wi-Fi. We are gonna show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient. Here wait for the 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If it not clear the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Unplug your router, wait 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait for router to go online. It takes about 2 minutes. Then you can check your TV. If this solves your problem, that's fine. If not, let's go on to the next try. Method 3. This is the last thing. Usually we'll do the trick, but this is a factory reset. So we are gonna reset your TV. Go to settings menu, go to system, advanced system settings, factory reset. This hopefully fixes your problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.